Hi, welcome to Dr. Kothari Ayurveda YouTube channel. Are you surprised why I'm here today? Well, there is a news for you, an update. That from today onwards, we are going to upload the food recipe videos for autoimmune disorder, metabolic disorder, weight gain, weight management, and many more health related videos. And believe me, all these ingredients which I am going to use in all these food recipes are well certified and validated by Dr. Kothuri. So, what is the topic of the today? You might have heard about that I am taking anti-inflammatory diet, I am taking in anti-inflammatory medicines. Oh, I have so much inflammation in my body, I have swelling on my knees and on that, right? So that is the topic of the day. So we are going to go through the recipe which will reduce inflammation in your body, which is anti-inflammatory what or kashayam. For this recipe we need 4 ingredients: raw turmeric, kacha haldi, Indian gooseberry, amla, ginger, adrak, and the black pepper powder. You all know that all these 4 ingredients are superfood. Why? Because it has so many anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in them. Secondly, it reduces chronic inflammation in the body, fights back with free radicals, it supports the digestion and gut health, it slows down the aging process, it promotes a healthy skin and hair, boosts the immune system, and most importantly, it balances the blood sugar levels. Okay, let's dive into the recipe. So, you have to wash all these ingredients very nicely because these are root vegetables, right? These are 2 root vegetables and there will be little dirt in the soil. So you have to wash it very nicely and peel off the turmeric and the ginger. So I have grated all 3 ingredients. So now we have to put all these ingredients in the infuser pot. So here is my infuser pot. So one important thing about infuser pot is make sure that infuser pot lid is not made up of plastic, because we are going to pour the hot water, and if you put the plastic lid, then it will release a lot of toxins from that. Okay, so we have to be a little careful. So that's why I have taken glass and steel combination of infuser pot. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of amla, which is Indian gooseberry, little bit of ginger. I'm going to add little bit of turmeric grated. After that, I'm going to pour the hot water. My quat is ready now. Now just pour on your cup. After that, add 1 pinch of black pepper powder in your quat. And one important point here is that turmeric has curcumin compound and the black pepper has the pepperite components. If you combine these 2 ingredients together, these compounds will help you to absorb more nutrients very quickly. So basically, these ingredients are very strong in flavors and fragrance. So few people cannot drink it directly. So I would recommend add some cinnamon powder or some 1 pinch of cardamom powder, or else you can add 1 teaspoon of honey as well. But I like my anti-inflammatory quat like this only. Now the question is when to take. So it needs to be taken in empty stomach the first thing in the morning. But do not overdo this, because this is anti-inflammatory quat. It doesn't mean that you have to drink all the day. Just take once in a day, that to empty stomach in the morning. This is another way to make the quat cubes. Just grind all the ingredients in the grinder or mixie, squeeze out the juice and put it in an ice tray in the fridge. Whenever you want to make anti-inflammatory quat, just take 1 cube and put in a hot water and have your drink and enjoy that. One good news for all of you that Dr. Kothari Ayurveda is launching anti-inflammatory quat powder. Whatever ingredients you have seen today, along with that there will be many more herbs in that quat powder, and which will be available soon to all of you. So stay tuned to that. I hope you have liked this video. Keep watching Dr. Koturi Ayurveda YouTube channel for many more food recipes which will benefiting your overall health. Thank you so much. Signing off, Shrishma Rao Kuturi.